Hello, beautiful people, my beautiful brothers, sisters, friends, humble fellow traders all around the world of our own continent, Akebulan, alright, popularly known as Africa. This is Nakosa Capital with you guys for here at JVAN FX. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good day, regardless of where you go join me in this live stream or watch the recorded one. Alright, today now Monday, a new month, November. Wow. And today in a big week also because we get plenty news. So far AUD they strong. I say AUD, yeah. AUD Australian dollar strong, followed by dollar, yen, and then the rest are falling down, as you guys can see here. But before we run this, we'll go to news, our calendar, we check so far everything is up for here. Alright, here we go. So, right now I see the B for here. Okay, Monday, the Switzerland, Swiss franc CPI news no good. It's bad. And later today again we get the US dollar news impact right here. We need to watch out. Median impact here. We need to watch out. Then on around something around 3:30 p.m. on personal time we get the CAD news, the Canadian dollar news. On Tuesday we have a lot of news right here around the London session, the Euro session. All right here. We need to watch out for this one. Okay, at the time me I go dey snore when I go dey awake, so I wanna watch out carefully. Later on, tentative, okay, anything from 10 downward, we get this guy coming up on the US dollar news, alright? And then later for night, wow, and we get the New Zealand news, high impact where we need to focus our attention on too. And on Wednesday, 10:50 a.m. in the morning, we get this for the US dollar news, and this also for the US dollar news on Wednesday. Finally, I think now the one news where we get so far for Wednesday be that on Thursday we get GBP news where come out plenty. So high impact, we need to watch out for this news too. Still the GBP news continue right here, rather here, followed by the US unemployment claim later on, I guess, and round up the day for the event news so far. We get the card news, alright. Lastly, the big day, Canadian dollar news followed by the US dollar news, right? To round up Friday and to round up this week, so we get the non-farm payroll, non-employment change coming up on Friday. So we want to make sure say we be careful with the way we trade and we can not leave money on the table, alright. And so far, as I don't see for here the strongest currency pair so far, or the strongest currency right now. When we enter market properly, and when we see how they go for here. Okay. Alright, so right here on AUD USD, not AUD US, AUD CAD. So okay, I think I don't do something here. Right here, so AUD CAD monthly time frame right here, clone, stop sinking out because I think I get hand up here. I don't get one here before, so normally I do like cloner, man. So sinking out. Alright, here we go. So you no go be devil, right? Okay, more we see. Wait till we get here. New month, small I don't forget. New month, right? New month. So sharply. Bullish candlestick signal. Alright, this one for key level of resistance supposed to be hanging man, so bearish signal, but so far the market won't buy because we get bullish pressure. So if the market goes to, and again last month, so this market make a new high compared to this high, so normally it could make sense make the market make for that new high, alright, or probably it will reject from here, then it will go down. That one I'm waiting, I go like see, okay, but it still look good for a buy, still look good for a buy, because already this candle already tests the 50% area of this last 2 months candle session area right here, so that calls for a buy. Alright, so be careful if you want to buy, make it very very careful. Alright, weekly time frame, and we get this beautiful warning, a warning with this 5 between the bears and bulls, and we get more bearish pressure to the downside than more bullish pressure. So hopefully we will see sell maybe, right? And again we see price they move sideways, right? So resistant then support. So hopefully this is now resistant area, or the market will still go up like I talk, make new high before we will see the sell. So we will be careful with this guy. They prove stubborn. Daily time frame right here. Alright, so daily time frame we get this spinning top high and low, and the market don't make new highs. Further we get another spinning top here. And one beautiful thing I say, this spinning top with this arrow, right, with the point to this volume here, they show say we get strong market where they won't come to the downside very soon, hopefully. But so far the market see they pull the string to the upside. We'll see how far the bulls go fit push this market to the upside, how far they will be able to go. Alright, but for me I see sell. And again, I expect say this area of this doji star we happen here back in time, you go respect. So even if market go up here, I go like sell from this area and come down. So for me now right now, we just chill, and I get when we enter AUDCHF. So AUDCHF now still buy, right? You see that's beautiful movement last month, yeah. So this one will still buy further for me, and then hopefully we'll get rejection for this area, this doji, bearish doji will happen here, and then bullish too for here. So I expect make it buy reach here then reject. On the monthly time frame perspective, what do you think? Type on for the chart, make we relate. So last week the market gap from up here, alright. Already I don't talk say gap, okay, to a particular direction, a continuation of that movement. Alright, so you see for it, so the market on the buy already. That's on the weekly, daily. You see and also. So today already market on the strong they go up. So we'll see how far it will go. But for me, I'll just stay out. If the market for any reason come down here, I'll go buy, go up. But for now, I will stay out. Alright? And AUDJPY, monthly time frame, as usual first. So we did for monthly resistance band. Alright? The market looks good for a buy. Right? So we get this bearish engulfing. We engulf this candle. That was October 1st, and then we get October 1st, 2024, last year. Wow. Now we don't reach 1 year. The market after 1 year, the market will go back to, and now we don't even pass now. Okay, last month now October, and now we did for November. So as the market reject for here for November last year, PM, share the market will reject for here too this year. 1 year, gege. Okpe ọdún kan buy. We not get. So we see if the market will reject from this area, monthly resistance band area. Yeah. After this breakout from inside this consolidation, you see this candle, this May 1st, 2024 candle close from inside this April 1st candle, and this one come break go out. Finally bearish engulfing, we engulf on July. So July candle engulf June, he engulf May, and he engulf April. How interesting that was. And now after 1 year the market now don't come back to that area to test hopefully this bearish engulfing. All right, 80% of the time the market must test bearish or bullish candlestick pattern. So we get 50% of this candle. Hopefully now there the market will come before we go see rejection to the downside. All right, there's no right or wrong. Okay guys, and the weekly time frame, wetin we dey see here. So this now that gap wey happen, right, wey happen last week, and now the market dey push go up gradually again. And this nice beautiful shooting star, this shooting star e no gree work, because all of this spinning top, I believe say, if assuming for me, alright, although if it be, e no go work like that for all currency pairs, alright, I will say this kind of candle now happen for here before this candle movement. Hopefully for see maybe, right, maybe. So anyhow the market don't make new high last week to this high. I expect further highs to this high. Alright, then we will see how far the market will close for this week. Okay, daily. So daily so far the market still they look good for a buy because the trend already we see so uptrend. So just keep on with the trend, but be careful. Alright, be careful because anything can happen. Anything can happen. AUD NZD monthly time frame still market there for resistance band area. Resistance band area, see so all our resistance band area right here. And then you see this movement last month, and now so the market they try push go up again, right? They try push go up again. So how far where the market won't go? See this bearish engulfing candle here. Okay, so I'm not gonna like see market close above this high of this bearish candle. Yeah, this high. I'm not gonna like see price close above her. Not be if you make new high of fan, but no problem. But close above her, na issue you will be. You see, so if you close above her, almost now to just get another bearish engulfing, like a bearish engulfing candle, we go reverse and back to the downside, or else we dey see up with that. And then we get the possibility of many areas where this market fit buy to if it once it break that high. Okay, we get many areas where this market fit buy to something like this. The market fit decide to come somewhere here. Alright, so make we be careful. If you dey buy this market, be careful, very careful. Weekly time frame. Let's see. Wow, check that out right here on the weekly last weekend. Bullish engulfing. Don't stop playing, stop playing. And again, the market don't make new high right now from this previous doji. That was October 6th. Yeah, October 6th doji high. Now if this market for any reason close above this doji high on the weekly time frame for this week, and we no see any candle wey engulf this, if this one close now, regardless of how this candle go close above this doji high, if we no see bearish engulfing wey go bring am down, we don't buy. Me sef I go even buy the market. Abeja, me go buy the market. Hamara life. No time to check time. I don't go. So right now, I'm gonna just be very extremely careful if I buy this market. In my own personal noble opinion, I will stay out for now. AUD USD. Oh, we'll go back. We don't check the daily. Alright, let's check the daily here. Wow, see those bullish candle. So right now, you see inside bar right here. So we get 3 advancing soldier for here. So normally this give a signal for sell already. But so far, the bears and the bulls they fight them out here. We can't get spinning top. Now you see that spinning top, so check my drawings here. You see waiting this volume they tell us. This volume they speak to us, say this market still go buy because the volume for the bulls are very strong, right? They go still buy. And wetin happen last week on Friday, the market buy. The bulls then still fight down, push price come back inside to stay for this inside back candlestick signal here. Right now. And as e be so market don dey cross go up. So now here we dey. Once this market close above here, back am, I'll wait for small pullback. I will buy again because already that buy done setting. Sure so. Because normally this market supposed to retrace to this area here before it push go up. But so far now the market see they continue the buys. So I will watch out for today. Once this candle close above here, go buy, go up further. But I have to check also the 4-hour time frame. I have to check the 4-hour time frame. So waiting the 4-hour time frame they do here, so they see so. So previously I expect the market will drop after the retest of this area, but so far since the market don't change the narrative, so we get our extension now. Everything don't go up. So I have to adjust the high market wave, and then here we go. Right here. Okay, now I just do it like this, and you will come down, and you be the lowest. Alright, so let's go like this. I just leave it like this, lower lows, lower high, and higher high. So extension, retracement, extension. Alright, so the market no change, switch, it just continue to go up, break supply for here. Okay, alright, so now we did for up. So after an extension, a retracement must come. So I will only wait for the further retracement. So waiting I will do now to just do 50% Fibonacci swing as to swing low, alright, and see where the market will come. So there's a strong movement within this 50% area of this Fibonacci right here, alright. Also here a level of area of concentration where the market fits. If you come down here already, you see resistance here, support here, alright. So we get down for here, we get resistance here, okay, and then we get support here, alright. So if the market come here, it will be a good area to buy, to look for bullish candlestick signal to buy. And if not here, decide if the bullish candlestick signal form but bearish counter ramp sell come here could be good area to buy. Here too another good area to buy. Alright, so just keep on real like that. And AUD monthly time frame. Of course, we must start from the monthly, from top to bottom. This looks sell, okay, but we get bullish pressure from the week. So how far that one will go, we'll see. But so far, now still sell. I expect for this market, nothing more. Weekly time frame, and then we see that beautiful doji right there. See that doji right there. So for this week, what we expect now? Two things: market go up, break this high, close body candle above. Market come down, break this low, close body below. You understand? So that waiting me I expect here, but eventually we'll see some kind of maybe sideways movement before any other thing. But normally markets, see, so that one market wave, short-term trend, weekly time frame, up. But this now to wait for this week to happen. But my meanwhile, while waiting for the week, I see this beautiful spinning top here. We get this one too, but this spinning top candlestick signal, it show me say this market won't sell, but the bears that they inside this market, the bulls say they stand by for inside because we get this gap will happen here. So this one a high wave gap, yeah, high wave gap. We see the market consolidate small finish do it for here, one gap go up. They call them high wave gap or see no, not be high wave gap. Be high wave gap na high price side by side, okay, gapping high price or low price. But in this scenario the market moves side by side, the con gap goes, so now high price gapping side by side, okay, high price side by side gapping. Now be this, so this area, this window area here, all of this na support area. So this give the bulls further energy, strength to continue to push further for inside this level. See, more we dey go up, okay la ó lọ ṣe sálẹ̀, òkè ni ṣe sálẹ̀ la ó lọ, òkè la fẹ́ lọ. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn bears, they do their things themselves. So serious fight they go on for it. So make we dey very careful. Make dey careful. So when we see how the news wey dey come out go fit, disrupt the market. Hopefully the news wey dey come out will disrupt the market and then show us the next level where to go. Because right now, wetin me I dey see for here, me I see for inside my chart here on the 4-hour time frame, right here. Alright, I don't get that for here, right? No, so move just run out here. Until mo rí bí báyìí sí ni pé ìjà yóò pọ̀, mo ń wo consolidation báyìí, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o, consolidation ni mo ń wo báyìí. I am dey look at the consolidation right now. Yep, quickly. Alright, let's go 4-hour time frame. Alright, sync globally and then close. So believe you me, maybe not waiting you dey see I dey see, but right now they see support resistance. So we get 1 2 3 4 confirmation of our consolidation. I be this is 100% consolidation, right? So I expect to see the market will drop down to this level. So the market don't even go right. Let me see 1-hour time frame. Okay, I know what to do. So we have to go to the 1-hour time frame and 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame at the same time. Yes. Alright, let's go to the 1-hour time frame now. We see you see consolidation, beautiful, right? Bollinger Band, what's up? So Bollinger Band to the confirmer, not properly the way I want, but so far we'll see 30-minute charts. Oh yeah, see that consolidation. Bollinger Band they tell us we're waiting for sideways movement. So I would like to see maybe the market come up here. Hopefully I will sell go down if it happen on the 15-minute time frame, okay, according to my strategy. Alright, now if you come back here for like price action movement, look for candlestick pattern to sell go down. Alright, okay, CAD CHF, oops, CAD CHF is a buy. Of course, no doubt. After this plenty sell for many months, you can't get hanging man who we refer to as shooting star. No doubt this market is a buy. Wow, the market come from gap from here. First gap come down. Now you can go with no wick for the bottom, no shadow for the bottom. Wow, beautiful move right there. Yeah. To buy, and the last week you get these beautiful buys, and now we'll see the buy too all the way to the upside. So for me, I expect this market to buy reach here. Alright, this area right here. And daily already, so you see the daily already done the trend to go upside. You see, still buy. So me I see if I fit take advantage of this market. Okay, let's see if I fit take advantage of this market. 4 hour time frame. Oops. Okay, I need to. You're not supposed to be here. Yes, I know. I think daily. Alright, let's go. So now consolidation after consolidation, breakout of consolidation on the 1 hour time frame here. On the 1 hour time frame. So this is still a buy. Right up right here. Yeah, it looks buy, but at the same time we get resistance for here, but this resistance not supposed to scare me, so I'll just wait for a slight pullback because of here, right? Yes, the market don't leave me go already. Oti familiar, so I'll just chill. I will chill, but still a buy. Card JPY, nice, beautiful candle here, but I don't stand for buy for inside this market, even if we get bullish engulfing right here. No, we get beautiful resistant area here where the market for rejects before the month close, and now the market is drag for here, so I expect nothing more than sell. Nothing more than sell. Monthly time frame area, market wave, okay, down. All right, weekly time frame, market wave, short term trend up. Okay, let me see. Shit. Holy shit. Seen globally. You get out here. Okay, so right here we get market wave up. After a high, a low must come. So I expect a sell. Okay, nothing more than that for inside this market. I'm expecting a sell. Just sell. Last week we get this candle spinning top way up here, but the volume is low, but still I still expect a sell. So after a high, a low must come. Okay, but we'll see how this will turn out to be on the 4 hour time frame. We don't see market the drop already. I appreciate the fact that the market closed below this candlestick pattern. This shooting star will happen for here, maybe by the low. The market take out the low. As the market take out the low, so it close body candle below round. Then it can create another one here again. Doji, and this one take them out again. So at this level now, market already consolidate. Right? So hopefully we will see this will be theory falling method. Right? This candle close inside this candle body, this one too close inside this one body, this one too close inside this one body. That's 3. Then even now we get 4. If this one close like this too, it will be 5. So to beat this market, alright, this pattern will form here, so I want to see maybe this candle or maybe another candle will go close below, like close like somewhere here. As long as not bearish candle and it close below these candles, then maybe this one or maybe the one we go open next, then that one will confirm the sell even from the higher time frame. Alright, yeah, so this market for me now still sell, so I'm going to hopefully price come down to this area here. Alright, and CHF JPY monthly time frame. CHF JPY monthly time frame, you get as it go be, this market still want to buy, but hopefully maybe if the yen is strong, okay, we'll see price we go retest after this breakout of inside back here. Market go retest, then if you want continue to buy, before it will continue to the buy. But for me right now, this one, I just look this market for now. I don't get anything to see. Then we get spinning top candlestick pattern right here. Hopefully, this one will check things back in place. If this week candle close bearish, good bearish candle, although we get support here for buy, we don't know wetin the Japanese and they do, but so far I will still expect more buy here, and we get inside bar for key level of resistance, right? Key level of resistance, inside bar right there. So if this candle close bearish, which is good, I get breakout for here of inside bar candlestick pattern, breakout, and hopefully a retest. Right, from here we'll know the next step to take, but this market still look buy on the buy side, but the candlestick signals wey dey come go tell us if the market don wan sell. Alright, e go tell us if the market wan sell. You see this shooting star wey happen here, the market sell before all of this come happen, market go up, right? But so far, more we see how this one will play out. If this candle close bearish, I expect say from here we will see the market go do sege for here. Láti bí bàyà mọ ohun tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀, but now where I expect price to come down to, if at all the market gets strength. And AUD, Euro AUD, multi-time frame. So Euro AUD, this market still they push for the downside right now, right? They push to sell for the downside because so far you see all of this after this spinning top, right? So hopefully the market, when it come here, I will expect to buy from this level to go up back. Yeah. But if it break here, hopefully it will push from here, or finally it will come down here before it will go up. But so far, hey, I don't draw my I won't buy that market too, but I never buy am. So Euro AUD, make I sing globally the support monthly bar. I mean my market wave right here. Pardon me. Oops. Okay. Alright, so here we go. Okay, so extensions or retracement they come. So hopefully if we do like these Fibonacci swing areas, so like I say, you see also all of these Fibonacci areas, the market will come. All of these areas. Hopefully we will see. Alright. Weekly time frame. So weekly time frame, yeah, still the same thing. Weekly time frame, market wave. See globally. Alright, I know the one before, right? Yeah. What about daily? Alright, daily is cool. Okay, so right here, weekly time frame. So support, key level of consolidation. So market, in my own personal humble opinion, seems to be coming towards this area right here. Okay, we get key level of resistance. I mean, yeah, key level of resistance, we turn support here. So hopefully the market won't retest out one more time before it goes up. If not, this market is still a buy. Alright, still a buy. Weekly time frame, we see this inside bar here, and this one too close for down here, and now the market is struggle to push go down back right there. It's not acceptable. Right, it is not, but it is what it is. The market will do what it won't do. Not me go tell the market say, like this you must do. Now waiting the market won't do. Now me I will just follow suit. You get it? So any RCB consolidation we get. Even as that, market trending, so we get this and we get this new highs and new lows, so adjust, right? So right now the market don't make a new low right here, so the see for here, so right, the market don't make new low for here right now, so lower low. That one will do for daily like that, sync globally. Alright, so lower low, definitely after a low, waiting must come, a high must come. So we watch out for candlestick signal patterns for the smaller time frame to buy this consolidation. So like I do for here, I expect say we get some kind of slight small consolidation for down here. We at the look right now say maybe this one will be consolidation, we go hold for down here. So we get from here we get resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support. So from this area, I expect the market will push go up. Then hopefully I will buy this one, go up right here. Then finally to us here. And EuroCAD. So EuroCAD, EuroCAD still in the buy side, alright. But so far, this market sell last month, but then we did for sideways movement on the smaller time frame. And I see, so yeah. So I expect so hopefully the market will buy from here. Alright. From here the market will go back up. But so far this is where we are. So how far it will be? Well, we will see on the smaller time frame, because after consolidation in a beautiful trend like this, the consolidation supposed to continue. And back to the weekly time frame, looking at the candlestick pattern so far, well, this candlestick pattern here and a beautiful one for sale. Hopefully we will see the sale happen, or we will see buy. But my own personal opinion, I expect to make the market buy, because this place don't hold for support since September 2025 this year. This market don't hold for this area for support. It never see fit break and go down, right? But then I know say I get that beautiful with past resistance, right? So we get a breakout, retests, even break to the downside and break up again, and then market don't do for their since right here. Alright. So hopefully if the market even still fall down to this level, then it will go back up. But I suspect say from here it will push go back instead of to come down, because the way the candle close now, so I mean the way the candle open, you see from here the market gap come down, no shadow for under, no wick, and now the push go up. So I expect say this week this market now buy, and then we get inside bar for here. Although we get resistant market gap from here back in time, so we're going to look to buy this market to this area first before any other thing. And that buy hopefully will happen for 15-minute chart, because now there we are going to see the signal. So on the 4-hour time frame, on this scenario, when the market gap come down, right, from here the market gap go down, right, from here the market gap come down, come here, right. Now what I want to do, I'll measure this candle body, full body candle, weeks to week, and I see say the markets way gap come down, it close 50% above the 50% of that candle area here. And I see also for here, the market close 50% above, which is that one mean for me, and I say the market will continue to buy. Yeah, even if it come like, we still go back up. And now I see this beautiful, this doji right here on top of the support level. So I expect nothing more than make market buy. And besides, not be the first time we bounce here as support. We see support. So now when the market confirm this candlestick signal pattern, now buy. It will be. And now we see this beautiful high wave candle with the form for here. Hopefully all this now preparation of the buy we won't come. Now be all of this candle. So wetin I will look for beautiful confirmation, something like a bullish engulfing, right? I will wait to see a bullish engulfing. We're going to engulf all of these candles and probably close body candle above this doji high for me, right? Then hopefully we will shop. I would you know what I mean now. Euro CHF. So Euro CHF. So all the CHF this week, I suspect then we'll just give way for the other currency pair to take control. Yeah. So this doji candle here, back in time, you see market close below RAM. This one push go up. This one attempt but stay up. This one close below RAM. And now price on gap come down from here. The gap come down here. No shadow for under, no wick, and now price the push go up. So I would like to see nothing more than make the market return and back go up for this week on the monthly time frame. So buy. Maybe for this one, for that here. So but then I'm not go buy blindly. Last week already it all put us for a good opportunity for buy for this week. Why? Last 2 weeks when the market gap from here. So after we get this beautiful counter attack line, because the market from here gap come down, right? So we can't see the market push go up. So normally if you close within that area, na counter attack bullish candlestick signal. If you close just slightly above them, na still counter attack. Or if you close slightly below them, na still counter attack bullish candlestick signal. So this one, na beautiful bullish candlestick signal. That's like around October 20, alright, last month. Before this market come gap from here, it gap go up here, it can't sell, right? Okay, let's get it right. The market gap come up here, it push go up, it come push come down, finally boost push and close up for here. Is that not the case? I don't follow the movement anyway. But anyway, the market closed bullish candle, right? So that calls for this one to do it to continue to buy. And it seems like this market gap. So we check the gap properly from the smaller time frame. May I see where the market from gap. Alright, so the market gap from either from down here. I think the market gap from here, come down here, and now they buy. So if this market close bullish candle today, hallelujah, the buy you don't set in. Okay, the buy don't set in. And quickly I want to check something. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Maybe I go see. Okay, yes. Waiting at the try see this doji candlestick signal we happen here. So when the market break go down and sell, can't break go up. So the market just do all this rubbish here. Now, so if the market close above this red line really here, then I'm very certain that this market it will continue to buy. So for me, and as I see for here, so for the 4-hour time frame already, the market don't take out this low, right? So we get higher high here, higher low here, and then more just go up. So we get higher highs, higher low here, and then we get another high with it from right now. Maybe so, yeah. 4-hour time frame. Okay, like this. Sync globally. Alright, so as market the trend it go up, so nothing more than see this market. I'm also okay. Work with the watch. Euro GBP, wow. Monthly time frame. So which one do you see for Euro GBP? So Euro GBP don't sell us out. See this market won't sell. With the way the market close on the monthly time frame, sell the smell at the same time to buy the smell. So any after a high, a low must come. Yes. See this long week, so a sign of sell. Now where this market will sell go, I don't know. Alright? But more just take our engagement. So on the monthly time frame perspective, we get inside bar, right? So hopefully the market will test this red line here. We all come down here. Alright. And then probably this yellow line, because we still get inside bar right here. We might get, So right now, this candle don't close above this high and this high. Meaning, as you do like that, so we see we get bearish pressure, although we get more bullish pressure and bullish strength from the candle body, right? So this market still tests this red line, this yellow line before we see further buys, right? Okay. And the same thing will happen for here too, right? So we get inside bar here, back in time like this, okay, and this one reject, come down, and finally this one breaks. So I'd expect a retest to this level for further buys. So if that won't happen, I will like buy for here, and I will look for opportunity to buy the market from that area. Like look for smaller time frame, buy the market from this place, go all the way up to the upside. All right. So this level and further probably down here before going up. Okay. And beautifully we get this guy here, inside bar, candlestick signal for key level of resistance. This candle come close bearish, way close below this low here. This already don't go retest time, so I'd expect a fall towards here and further probably down here before going up. So that one where I will look for my opportunity to buy to continue this trend where we see for inside this daily time frame. EUJPY, so EUJPY they mess up for a year. Dollar index at 3 months high, testing top of recent range. Alright, good job. So market don't break out of consolidation, and then we did here. So inside bar breakout, retest area, okay, probably further retest to this level, and then we get inside bar, right? This engulfing this and this closing inside this body. So that's an inside bar right there. So I'd expect this inside bar, hopefully after this evening star will happen back in time, and then we get morning star will go up, and then inside bar candlestick pattern. Let's see how this will close for today, and then we'll see. Hopefully we'll get further sell, because long time this market must sell. Eventually the sell must come, because all of this area where the market did, so EUJPY now monthly resistance band area, right? Eventually the sell could come. Hopefully you go there to catch on. Euro NZD looking at waiting they happen for here last month already don't give us, see this market one sell, right? Because eventually this market must sell. Alright, market to short-term trend, everything they up on the monthly time frame perspective. So quickly make we look at, I want bring in the movement where I forget to sync globally right here. Alright, let's just leave it like that. Okay, right here. Welcome back. Alright, so as an addition, so market structure, short-term trend, everything is up right here. Make me fine light. Alright, so after an extension, a retracement must come. Okay, so far so good for here. This area from where the market got from here, okay, when the market got from here 2 weeks ago, right, to this level, all this area must be resistant area. Yes, a resistant area it could be. So that's window, and window gapping of now waiting now. All those area now resistant area, that will be the gap. So that area become rising. I say rising. Any window gap like this to a particular direction, like I don't talk before, na continuation pattern na be window. Any gap, market gap from one candle session close, the next candle session no open for the same area, e call gap, go the direction of the previous candle session, na continuation chart pattern na be that gap, na wetin e mean. Alright, right here. So let's get to 4-hour time frame. We'll see. Alright, so now the gap area na be this. So normally may I just come out this one, may I put that gap line properly. So this is where the market for gap, right here to this level here, red to this level. You see, so all this area market will come towards here, market must go the reject, go down. Now until the higher time frame wey gap, that higher time frame wey the market from gap, and he also show for the smaller time frame, until that higher time frame body candle close above this area with better candlestick pattern, this market na sell. Every time market come here, you must look for opportunity to sell according to your strategy. Until then, this market e go dey drop. You see, so from the daily time frame perspective, every time market come here, it go close body candle for the smaller time frame, but now weak shadows now you go see for there. Bearish pressure. You see, so this market they tell me say this guy is still 1-4, and I expect that fall to this level. Yes, so on the 1 hour time frame, I'll just try look for a sell opportunity right here. Okay, this one not be, this one will be from anyhow, sure, I know me delete that. So now the gap area be this. Alright, so make I adjust my trend line, my beautiful trend line. Alright, not like this. And trend line don't often break go up for here, but sorry, I still expect the market to fall. Still, Euro USD monthly time frame for me, Euro USD is still a fall. Yes, it's a drop. Wow, bearish engulfing last month. I don't think we had expect this fall, but seems like the fall don't start. Yeah, it does start, hopefully. So sell. 3 advancing soldier in the opposite direction of 3 advancing soldier is 3 dark crow. So normally the market will retest before it will sell, but in this case it seems like the market now, hallelujah. Oh, the market got gap. See, so the market got gap, and when the market gap, so if first buy go up or ga na resistant area be that, go. So we'll take eye find our gap area from the smaller time frame. See, this market can be so tricky, but no problem, sha. We'll find our gap from the market gap from here to here, right? Because you see the fall they go down like this, Go put down for 1 hour time frame. Come out down for here. Now I'm gonna go to 1 hour time frame, go find that gap. Yeah, let's go and look for that gap. So in other words, this market from here, a gap come down, come here. So we'll do like this, right? So from here, the market gap come down and stay in between this candle body. What does that one mean? That one means say na Arami candlestick signal pattern. Arami. Why? Because you don't open for the same area, like I always talk. If you open for the same area, na still inside bar candlestick pattern. But this one, not be just inside candlestick pattern be this. Now Arami inside bar candlestick pattern because you know open for the same area. Alright. In this scenario, this market na sell. Why? Because the daily time frame they tell us na sell. And again, the 1 hour too they also tell us sell. How? Because the market is trying to go down. You see, so the market is trend down already. So the market can't move sideways for here before it can't gap down. Now wetin they call low not be high. This one will be high, this one na low price gap, low price side by side gap. Yeah, low price side by side gap. If I remember the name, it dey help me to understand, okay, this na where price dey go. So low price side by side gap now happen within this area here. I no quick spot am, but with the higher time frame, which is the daily, I quick spot the gap. So this bearish beautiful engulfing here, hallelujah, na sell. Now this one don't stand by for beautiful sell. So one has to still be very careful, but still I go look for opportunity as it be now. So this one a good chance to sell this market. Stop loss goes on the pattern traded before, so just go high here. If you want, if you put your stop loss above here, but for me, may your day like that in this scenario. So price will not go all the way down. Like all the way down. May I see? So if market break the first high here, it will gravitate to the next area for resistance. So this market will go a long way. Might just say this market will come down here. 1 hour time frame. Yeah, market will come down towards this level right here. So I will look for, after the stream, I will try sell Euro USD in my own personal humble opinion. GBP AUD monthly time frame, GBP AUD, this market too. We deal with me, share. So eventually we did for key level of support right now. So I don't know what will happen here. Alright. Until these highs are taken out, this market is still buy. Until these highs are taken out, this market is buy. No two ways about that. Weekly time frame, the market gap from here is sell, no problem. We get demand, we get inefficiency here. Market don't come for here, so I expect that to respect itself and go all the way up. Nothing more for this one. Buy. And on the daily, you see as the market see this doji, so you target this doji high or the low. Market close above them, bye bye. The market close below them, bye bye. Alright? Yeah, nothing more for me. Believe you me, that's all. GP card, monthly time frame. So we get our support right here, resistance on support. All of this area now buy. Okay, so with this still buy for me. Weekly time frame. So we see gap for here on the small time frame, right? Well, let's see, still a buy for me if you ask me. Now who I go ask? So it's a buy. Okay, where this green line come from? It's not relevant for now. So it's still a buy. The market they try to push, they struggle, buys and bears, the fights, but still a buy for me. GBCHF monthly time frame, no doubt the market gap come down and now the buy go up. So GB time frame, GBCHF is a buy for me still. Weekly time frame here we see that nice kind of bullish pressure, and then here we get this. Okay, we get this Aramic candlestick signal last week. On Friday, market closed above and it's still a buy. Eventually, although the market gap come down, right? But then it's still buying right now. So it's a buy for this one for me this week. Buy. And GBJPY on the other hand, they give us bearish sell signal, but it's still a buy. The way I look at bearish sell signal from the weekend, we get this bearish engulfing. So this resistance area is strong, still they hold. How the market will go, well, we'll see. And right here we get this beautiful bearish candle with bullish pressure. The market come gap, come down, come here. from here the gap come down, it come buy, come the resist. So it's like the market won't sell, but that sell no go sell that much. So probably within between this area, the market will just move sideways somehow. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully the market is supposed to go up. But if it decide to sell, it will stay within this area. But then I still expect buys for inside this market, nothing more than that. But if it sell, all fine and good. GBP/USD monthly time frame. See that beautiful sell. Okay, that beautiful sell happened. Hopefully the market won't sell. Okay, but though we get our support right here. So if I thought it sell, now here it will come before it will go up. Nothing more than that. If not, it go buy. So last week the market gap on previous week close area, right? Then we get this beautiful high wave candle right here, right now. Okay, and now the market day in between right now. So at this point in time, I will expect nothing more than a buy inside this market, because from the lookout of this last week candle, I see this beautiful bullish pressure from this high wave candle week, right? And then we see from here we get bullish engulfing back in time. That was September 15th of September this year, right? And then now we price come down, we see say the bulls too, they enter the market, they push price really good from this area. So I expect say the market will buy from here too, nothing more than that, right? And then we get on Thursday last week candle we close inside bar right here, and then beautifully we get this spinning top. So the psychology behind that, and once market close above that high, the next candle session supposed to be further high. So now waiting to expect for inside this one. Buy, nothing more than that. And GBP/USD too, the market looks beautiful on last week. You know, we see this doji here, alright. Now market don't gap come down, so it seems like the market won't sell, right? Because from the doji close area, the market gap come down, it come back, come here, and now they don't push and go down right here. So price it for here right now. So consolidation for me, okay, consolidation, huge consolidation as soon as they see. So we get support, resistance, and here support one more time. So nothing more than I expected market go up from this consolidation area. But all right. So weekly time frame perspective, we get first leg, which is the red one, market wave. All right. So after a low, we're supposed to see a high, all right, before further lows, if I thought it could happen, right? But if not, this market is supposed to reverse back and go all the way up, right? Because long term, this market now buy, all right. But at the level where we did right now, for waiting at the C and waiting market to do, if this consolidation will continue, the market will go up. If not, the market will still sell small. From the lookout of the monthly time frame, this market now still buy, because as it be for years, we did for key level of price support. So that support is area still they hold. And back in time, we get this beautiful, although we get 1, 2, 3, we have a color 3 advances soldiers. So normally the market will retrace to the first candle area for support or the second candle. But unfortunately, I believe say hopefully, maybe the market will stay for this support area, go up. Or maybe if it decide to come down back to this level, okay, before it go up. So maybe now trade wisely. For me, I would like to buy. So waiting, I will just wait for now to see that sit down. Alright. So today candle will give us sit down. Alright. It will give us sit down. So waiting, I'll just stand for that to just wait to buy. So on the 1 hour time frame, now they try to figure out, okay, the market gap from here, right? See, also the market gap from this area. So a gap come here, right? So within that they see based on the gap right now, if you ask me, I smell buy, nothing more than buy. I'll tell you why. Instead of looking and say, okay, this area will be resistant area. No, it not going to be resistant area from the previous gap. Then we will watch, where we don't see for other time frame. You see the difference here. I don't explain something similar like this before. The difference for here, and I say, when the market gap from up come here. So we look at this low, okay. Now not this top, okay. not this top. We will look at this low to be our resistance area, and the way this candle go close go determine the other level where I go put the line to say, okay, oh, this now the window. So anytime price coming between this area, we want to see price go down. Alright? But in this scenario, this will not happen like that. Guess what happen? This market show us counter attack. You see, so it got from up here, it got come down here, but eventually when it closed for here. So this is not bullish counter attack line. So this bullish counter attack line, now I take no say not for here for close. Look at where this candle, the candle next candle session for open. You see, so it open for the same area. It shows say now here this market, this previous candle session, bearish candle, now for here for close. Now, because say now bearish, we go see sell. I wish say this market go all the way up, close above this candle session close. This candle for turn white for be bullish, right? But as it can be bearish, so the color no matter. The color no matter. This na bullish counter attack line, even if na bearish color na dey show. Although with my own color here na blue, right? But na bullish counter attack line. Na bullish counter attack line, not be bearish, even if the color dey show blue. So this blue is supposed to be bearish, but in this scenario with the candlestick pattern, na bullish counter attack line. Alright, so for me, we get this will look like 3 advancing soldiers. So normally price will come down to retest, and then it don't retest for this area and expect further buy. So waiting, I will just stay tuned to the wait for now. Make this candle close above this candle high, this spinning top right here, or probably close above here, then I will buy from here, go up. But I must also first of all check my confirmation time frame, which is where the daily time frame. So this now real shooting star. This now the real ultimate. Now so they call it ultimate shooting star. Why? Because now doji. Alright? Because now doji candle. And then we see all this beautiful sell where happened back in time. So this candle come close like this now, ultimate shooting star. Even if I see gap come down, this gap where gap come down, so that trick for me na manipulation. But the 1 hour for here don't put me at rest. Say this market eventually you go see by. So wait, I will just wait for another bullish confirmation. Bullish confirmation candlestick signal for me to buy this market GBP USD. Just as I want sell GBP, Euro USD, but Euro USD I want to play on the sideline. But anyway, GBP USD sure for me than Euro USD, so may I just chill. And NZD card on the monthly time frame looks sell, but at the same time looks buy because we did locked inside consolidation for here, and this consolidation movement starts since 2023, 2023, June 1st, 2023. Now this consolidation does start from here like this, okay, and then we get the resistance too for here like this. So hopefully long it don't take where I expect. So for this market will push go up, come here, then it go dey easy for me to sell from here, come down. But so far the market don't move within this area, so it dey a little bit difficult. Although I still try trade them at the time when the market come this area here, sell go down. But now as I just fold my hand on the sideline to watch this guy and see how it play out, right? Weekly time frame, wow. So weekly time frame, this market now better dark cloud cover. That be this one for key level of support. He dey joke, a complete joke. If nothing for resistance now for happen now, I go say sell. But for here, this market, this support level is still very strong. So I dey see buys. You see every time market come here, and now with this doji candles, although I don't like the fact that the market close below this doji, this one here, I don't like them at all, but it is what it is anyway. So this doji here still the stand, right? It still the stand. And again we get this spring candle. Wetin make this candle be spring back in time around October 14. Now because it make a new low way lower than this shooting star doji candlestick Arami candlestick pattern we happen here back in time, it becomes spring. All right, now also shooting star in view, but another name we then add join am for a spring because it make a new low. All right, spring shooting star candlestick pattern I be this, right? Although the market don't mess up around this area for some time now, this na still buy for this week, but eventually we'll see how the market will play out, right? So now I just move on to NZD-CHF. NZD-CHF on the monthly time frame, beautifully, it looks good for sell. At the same time, it also look good for buy. Why? Because it don't sell for a long time, so maybe we'll get breathing space from here because from that week, from that week right here, we see this bullish pressure. So maybe that one will make the market buy. Hopefully buyers will enter market more than sellers. And again, from last 2 weeks and last week the market gap. So last week the market gap will come from this spinning top. So this spinning top with the volume is very strong. So I'd expect further buys with the upside. So I know the buyers with myself expect market to come down towards here. Nothing more. Before any other thing. Daily time frame candle. So far we see for here the market gap, like I said last week, and then the market buy since Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So the market looks good for buys, in my own personal humble opinion, right? And this is not buy. You monthly time frame, you don't want to sell, don't want to sell, but I believe say you will sell from here. This spinning top. Market gap come this area, so all of this area will be resistant area no matter the market try. Just this window will happen here, this gap will happen back in time to help us make sure the price stay continues to go down from this area, in my own personal humble opinion. So I see a buy, forget about the bullish candle, and then we get high wave candle for key level of resistance, consolidation. So this high wave candle will happen here. So hallelujah. Now I call them hallelujah candle. I call them hallelujah candle. Why? Because high wave happen for key level of resistance. If you buy you, but in this scenario, together with what I see for the monthly time frame, you better brace yourself. Then you better shaking it, brace yourself, and then we get bearish engulfing will happen here back in time. Brace yourself because something might be happening. Something is cooking in the kitchen of yen this week, believe you me. And we get inside buy again. Oh, blood of God. Which of the God are they refer to? I don't know. But anyhow, I dey smell sell, believe you me. At least somewhere to this level. We'll see how it plays out. Alright? So NZD-USD looks good for a sell for me. It looks good for a sell. Yeah. After this breakout of this doji low, that's why now predicted sell. Now this one predicted sell. So look at time frame. What's happening here? So lower lows, lower high, lower lows, right? So after the low, a high must come. So this is our high. So I'm expecting a fall. Nothing more than that. What do you think? Hallelujah. The market gap small. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. It itself. The market gap from here. Now the so market gap from here come here. It come by go up. Now it don't go down. Hallelujah. Nothing will change. Up there. Up there. Are we? Where is the gap? Only. What problem with this market? Yes, there is a problem in this market. So normally, if we are to draw the gap, it's supposed to be from here to this level, but unfortunately, guys, the market gap from here to this level, maybe maybe to this level or maybe to this level, right? It can sell, come down here, right? Buyers come push on, push on, push on, push on, push on, push on, push on. Okay. The problem now, I say, it's supposed to be the high. So we're supposed to take the high of this candle, right? Not the close, but the high. So the problem, I say, the high of this previous session, when the market opened for my own time on Sunday, the close of this candle, the low of this candle, they here, right? Exactly. Why the high of this candle we gap from up here, the high can go the inside. So problem with it for inside NZD USD. Believe you me. Watch this video and say this is what JVAN said. There's going to be serious issue with it. So now I dey confused right now. Believe me, I dey honest with myself and I try to be honest with you guys. This market, the sell are not today certain. The buy too are not today certain, because probably I would say I will be on the buy side than on the sell side. Yeah, but because of the way this candle take close on the 1 hour time frame and this one take open and close, so you get ACB. Believe you me, you get ACB. You get ACB. So I don't really know what direction. Might just say buy. I'll say buy, but not be buy based on say buy. Buy stay out. Buy based on direction long, not be based on trade. Now just direction for me. I dey smell, weak clash. Go up and come down, go up and come down, go up and come down, and stay in between. Now be this market. Dollar index say buy from the month time frame perspective. Dollar index is a buy. Alright. So dollar index gap go up. Ha ha ha. Dollar index gap go up. Daily time frame. Dollar index gap go up. So it's a buy for dollar index. You see, so from here to here, it come inside. Now if we trace this, go all the way to the 1 hour time frame. Now let's see. Alright, 1 hour right here. So hopefully you guys will understand what I'm talking. So the market gap from where the high. So this is not the high. This now Sunday, this now Friday candle. So normally the market gap from here, Friday candle, a gap go up, right? It can come down, can go. So hallelujah. So here, this one good, this one good. The dollar index is good. So we have the low of the previous candle and the low make us beautiful area for buy. Check this out, guys. Beautiful support. Now this market creates. So NZD USD, you get as it go be for that market. Believe you me, it just get that. It wants sell. I prefer the market for sell, but I will go see, we'll go see. But this, it's a buy, no doubt. USD card, buy. Believe you me, buy. Buy, based on direction. But see what thing happen here. The market gap from here to this level. Now you can't buy, they go up. So if you first buy, anyhow you want buy, eventually it will come down. Because the market gap go down, so it's market support sell. Weekly time frame, wow. The gap come down like I talk now in the buy. Normally, this movement we wanna see, so this and this, it get RCB. So even if this weekly candle buy go up, it will still come down for this week. It not go buy all through, it will come down. but it still look good for buy. For me, direction, yes, buy long, but not like trade for me. USD CHF, yeah, this one a beautiful one. Buy, 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 buy. Just they buy this one. Buy. USD JPY on the other hand too, I'm sorry to say that buy no go happen the way we expect them. Market gap from here to here, you can't buy. This spin it up, this I doubt if this market will really buy go up that much. But anyway, based on direction, based on direction, this market is supposed to sell, but still long anyway. But I prefer sell. Alright? But from waiting market they show me long, long. But for the fact that the market gap gone down so I expect them to buy small. Just buy small, then later can't sell. So now to look for that sell area. Now 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame here, the market closed on the Friday here, right? Then it can gap go up. Gap come down, right? So from this level to this level, this candle, okay, this candle no close above this previous session candle high. If I say close above her, it will become pricing, the opposite of dark cloud cover. Alright, this one will be pricing candlestick signal, which is a bullish candlestick pattern, but unfortunately it closed below. This now bullish threshing, they call that bullish threshing candlestick signal. Now where this market for take get confirmation for buy. Now the fact say this candle low and this candle low can serve as window now, from here to here now window. So all of this area will be buy. So yen would expect yen to fall, but yen still never get straight. But hopefully I'd expect say yen will sell this week. So hopefully this market will day for this. As soon as they look this market, so many of you know this pattern already. That chart pattern, right? That chart pattern. I know the kind of pattern will it be. And then we get this one too so it will be on the 1 hour time frame, hopefully to 4 hour too. And I know the pattern now. Now pendant, right? How be pendant be that? I know to Sabiamo. You gonna pardon me. So I know the pattern, right? So when I see this pattern like this, when I already don't know where price is go, those of you always sabi this pattern, me not to sabi. Alright? For key level of resistance, monthly band areas. So when I know the next thing to do, right? Alright, so I leave that one for now. Gold. Monthly time frame, we check gold sharply. So for me, gold na sell. Okay, you see this shooting star after these two beautiful candles. So I expect gold to sell nothing more than 50% area of this candle here. Alright, nothing more. That's all I'm looking at. Believe me or not. But if you buy still, it predictable for the buy because already bullish. I expect gold to test this level, at least maybe here, all of this area, okay? If not, if gold for any reason come down here, hallelujah, go buy, right? Go buy. So, still short for me, not to buy, but if you buy, it good. Weekly time frame, they tell me we get 3 advancing soldiers. So for me, the market already tests where one test, right? So then push and go up. So at this level, we're supposed to see further buys, right? So now the two things will fit happen for gold be that. But so far, gold they misbehave here. You get bullish engulfing right here, right? Good. So we can get this guy here with the hot price to go for that upside, right? So right now, as gold there here, so I see the smell buy on gold is strong, but at the same time, we have to be very careful on the monthly time frame candle will happen. But so far, I will stay put to monitor gold and see how far gold will go. All I just want wait for now, one beautiful strong fight between bulls and bears. Wetin I mean, I would like see a doji candlestick signal. Though a doji candlestick signal wey I go see will put my heart to rest based on say I go come know say okay the high and the low dey very important of any doji star candle. The high and the low dey very important, especially from the higher time frame. So if price break go high, buy. Price break under, sell. So the next thing to follow, I know what's up. Now, Bitcoin. So Bitcoin don't refuse to come out for this area, right? It refused to come out for this area. Who will come out Bitcoin for here now? So after this huge consolidation, you don't decide to sit down for one short consolidation here. So right now, for inside Bitcoin, based on the daily time frame, we get this inside bar here. So this candle, right? Close for inside this one body. Share. Yeah, so if this market close below here for today, anyhow, we will not forget we still get consolidation support area. And not be just this small consolidation support area, we get the huge one too. So key level of support. Yeah. Bearish engulfing should in case it close like this. Okay? But no problem. Bullish engulfing fit still reverse and go back. So for now, we will fight for this area till further notice. Now, wetin go happen for inside the smaller time frame, such as the 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes, 15, 5 minutes, and rest. Wetin go happen? Well, they easy to know. All I just need to do is to spot out spinning top candlestick signals, doji star. Like I said, the break above or the break below will tell a lot of story. So if the doji star happen for 1 hour and it can't break body close above am, well, that one a good signal for buys, right? So I will monitor Bitcoin, and now there we are. Will end my session for today for Wituna. All right. Hopefully on Wednesday we'll come back together again and we go meet together again. We go check the market together again and see how far everything don't go so far and how far we don't do. All right. Thank you very much, all of you. Now we watch my live stream and those of you now will go watch the recorded one later. Although una no talk anything and I believe say una comment for una heart, una ask question for una heart. It's all fine by me, no problem. If una never like, make una try, make una do well, make una like, make una subscribe, and make una share. I go really appreciate them. Till Wednesday we will see again. Make una don't forget, like I always talk, Coastal Capital they look for traders. If you know say you get your strategy, real life account connected to my Facebook, you get your result, your strategy written in paper, black and white, no subject interpretation. Alright, feel free, connect with the boss, Mike the FX boss. And if not me you want to connect with, feel free, connect with me, I'll connect you with the boss. Alright? Thank you very much. See you guys on Wednesday. Until then, stay tuned and enjoy your day. This is Coastal Capital with you guys, JVAN.